Hello, welcome back to my channel. This week is a short one because I'm very busy with all the Christmas preparations. I'm working on a Christmas scarf for myself, so I have something red to wear. And it's just a fairly simple garter stitch one. I will be making tassels at the end with green glittery yarn. And while I'm knitting this, I was told that my son was to be playing a shepherd in the Christmas play for school, and I thought you might like it. And he offered to sing for you as well, so the next clip will be him singing and playing a shepherd. I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. See you next time.
All that's want for Christmas is you.